Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to Citizens Bank, easy method, step by step, clearly. To begin transferring money from Venmo to Citizens Bank, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in to your Venmo account if you haven't done so. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap that icon in the top left corner. From the menu, select Manage Balance. Next, choose Transfer to Bank from the options presented. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. After entering the amount, select Instant for an immediate transfer or Standard for a free, slower transfer. If you choose Instant, be aware that there may be a small fee. Proceed by selecting Transfer to Bank. Now, ensure that you have linked your Citizens Bank account to your Venmo account. If you haven't linked your Citizens Bank account yet, tap Add a Bank and follow the prompts to enter your banking information. Once linked, go back to the transfer screen. Select your Citizens Bank account as the destination for the transfer. Recheck that the amount is correct before confirming the transfer. Tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. You will receive a notification indicating that the transfer is in progress. The funds should appear in your Citizens Bank account in the time frame you selected earlier. If you opted for the instant transfer, you should see the money in your account within just a few minutes. For standard transfers, it may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Keep an eye on your Citizens Bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from Venmo to Citizens Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.